lovelies, welcome to my channel The Protective Girl. Today let's unbox and review the Space and Beauty planner. Let's get started. This is how the packaging came in. It came in this beautiful pink color box. It says Space and Beauty at the top. Now let's unbox the box. When we open, we have a lot of stuffs inside. Everything was secured with a bubble wrap packaging. Let's start with the freebies. These many are the freebies that came along with the Space and Beauty 2022 planner. First, we have a nice pink pop socket that you can stick to your mobile and use it as a stand. Next one is a badge which says You Go Girl. It gives a girl bossy vibes. Next, we have a pink scrunchie. The color is pretty and the quality is also really nice. Next, we have a playing cards. This is how it looks. It's nice to add in some fun elements rather than like a productive stuff in a planner freebies. I love this. Next we got two bookmarks with their designs. Next we have one postcard that you can write and post to your loved ones. Next we have a plain notes page. So it has a lot of pages and you can it's just a plain notes. You can just write random notes or doodle. So it's nice to have a plain blank notes so that we can just write some random stuff over. Next one is my most favorite. It's a to-do list notepad. It is a long to-do list notepad. It has a lot of pages as well. If you like to make list, a lot of checklist, then this will be really useful. So it's a nice addition. Then we have a pocket notebook. It's a blank pocket notebook that you can carry in your handbag to jot down stuff on the go. Next is kind of large size notebook which says My Space. Came in this beautiful color. It also has a blank pages. So there is one big notebook and a small notebook as a freebies. The last one is the sticker book. It says the ultimate sticker book. Just look at the size of the book. It has a lot of stickers. Let's quickly have a look at the stickers. As you guys saw, all the stickers are so very pretty, aesthetic and gorgeous. I love this book. One thing I really like is that they have mentioned the categories of stickers at the bottom. It might be easier for us to just stick it whenever we plan, and I really like this page of stickers. It has all things Korean. Love this. All the freebies are done. Let's come to this beautiful planner. It has a minimal cover design. It just says My Space. They have a variant in black color as well. This one is in this beautiful blush pink sort of a color. And at the back it says 2022 limited edition Space and Beauty. The hardbound quality is really nice. So let's flip through. First we have the Fabulous Me. Here you can write your name and your details. Next here is All About Me. Here you can write everything about yourself. Then here is the Real Me. It has everything that is like kind of your favorite. Then we have resolutions of the year and affirmations of the year, and it's beautifully color coded in this pastel palettes. Next we have my birthday page. It is My Birthday is Going to Be Awesome. Who made today special, OOTD, guest list, gifts I received. It's just unique spread and it's really nice. Next is a memory board. You can just like do memory keeping here. Then we have two sites for dream journal. You can journal about your dream life here. The next is a deep secrets. Here you can write about deep secrets that you have in each of these. Next we have fantasy board for two sides. So here you can write all your fantasies. Next is a vision board. You can stick your pictures, collage about your dreams, goals and aim over here. Next is a 2 sides for goal setting. So first here is a level 10 goal. So you can set goals according to the 10 level. So this planner has these level 10 life. Then also they have level 10 life kind of reflection path. Basically this is how I set my goals personally. Like I reflect and then set my goals for level 10 life. What you can do is you can have each color refer to each level, and you can just color code like how much level you are at right now in each aspect of your life. So it's a nice activity. It's a popular and effective goal setting method. Next we have idea board. Here you can jot down your ideas. Next is an achievement board. Here you can jot down all your achievements that happened in 2022. Next is a wish list travel goals. You can write your travel goals. It's a wish list things to buy, and it's a wish list things to do. It's a wish list totally random. So like they have categorized wish list into different categories, and it's a packing list. If you want to travel, you can pack your clothes, accessories and toiletries. Continues with the documents, carry on and miscellaneous. Then here it is my world, and this is something unique. It's a my world thing, so it has the universe, and here is me, and then you can write like your world, like people around you. Next is a page for each of the people around you. Like first is my life partner. Here you can use this page as whatever you want. Like you can stick your couple picture, you can write about your story, or you can just write some memorable moments as well. Then we have my mom, my dad, my sibling, my BFF, my gang. So you can write or stick pictures or just draw and do just anything. And here is my priorities. So you can just write your current priorities in these, like what are you currently focusing on in your life in 2022. You can just write in each arrows. Next is a very pretty bookstagram. So you can just write a book name in each of the books. Next we have wall of movies. Here you can write all the movies that you have watched in 2022. Actually the wall is pretty big. You can write a lot of movies. Next is a TV shows watch list. I really like this. So you can track a lot of TV shows that you watched, and also you can rate it. So it might be nice if you're someone who rewatches your favorite TV shows. Then it's a code section. You can pen down your favorite codes in these elements. Next we have my money, and you can track your income, expenses and how much you have saved from January to December. Next we have a side for savings. So you can write total savings and whenever you saved to this savings jar. Then here is a mood tracker, and here is a period tracker. I really like how they have denoted the different kinds of moods for each and every symbol. Then we have sickness log, which is something unique, so you can just highlight whenever you feel sick. Next we have my body, wherein you can measure your body each and every month from January to December. And next is an improvement plan. We have an improvement plan for body, mind, world around me and relationship. Next is a rituals page. You can write your morning routine and evening routine over here. So you can have a space wherein your routines are written, so you don't have to forget what is next. Next is a products I use. Here you can write your favorite products that you're using, beauty, hygiene and wellness products. Next, it's a cleaning schedule, weekly, daily, monthly, bi-weekly, annually, biannually. So you can just write a schedule that you want to follow for every day, for weekly basis to clean your stuff. Next is a my social fandom, and here is my password. So you can write your username, password. By default they have given few icons like Google, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, and also they have given like a 5 mice for your own needs. Next we can track our subscriptions, like when we started, when it ended and who borrowed what. Then it's a page for gifts and best days of the year, you can track here. And then the monthly page begins. It's the let the adventure begin. First we have a nice monthly calendar layout and a note section. Next we have the weekly/daily layout in this format. It can be used as a diary as well. After all the weeks of the month ends, we have monthly review. So you can review your month, reflect and respond to it. So this monthly review section is pretty unique and nicely categorized. Next is current obsessions. You can write your obsession in food, reading, watching, everything. like a favorites list. Then it's a habit tracker. You can track 9 habits with this planner. It's a sleep tracker which is really unique. You can track like how many hours you slept each day and the quality of sleep as well, because how many hours we slept and the quality of sleep differs. And then we have expense tracker and the expense summary like a budget. Next is a meal planning session. It says plan, prep, eat, repeat. You can plan or track your meals for 5 weeks. You can track breakfast, lunch and dinner from Monday to Sunday. And then the next month begins. So the monthly layout will be similar. Let's just have a quick look at the monthly cover pages. After December ends, we have like a self-care activity which is color it up, coloring pages. There are 10 coloring sheets for you to color and relax yourself. And then we have nail art, so you can do a nail art for these nails. And then it's a doodle pad, you can just doodle anything here. Here is a my playlist, you can write your favorite songs. Then we have pen it down like a blank note pages and like a self-portrait. You can self-portrait here and some more blank pages, and the planner came to an end. This planner review is that definitely this planner is packed with lot of elements, and it's a brief elaborate planner with a lot of spreads. It has the essential spread as well as extra spreads and some fun spreads that you would like. And also I like the fact they have included the coloring pages so that we can relax ourselves. It's like an all-in-one planner. So if you like the flip through and like the spreads of this planner, then you can definitely check it out. If you like this flip through, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I shall see you guys in my next video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.